Are you losing your hair? As you can see, I was too, and here is how I managed to regrow a lot of my hair and stop a lot of hair loss. Before you start Googling plane tickets to Turkey, there are things you can do on your own to prevent hair loss and increase your hair growth. The main reason why men lose their hair is a hormone called DHT. So you should try to tackle that in some way. I use natural products such as a DHT blocking shampoo. There is also a medicine called finasteride, which should be the most effective. But do your research and consult with a professional before using that. The number one thing I have been using to regrow my hair is Minoxidil. After a few weeks of using it, I saw a lot of new growth. Different people respond in different ways to Minoxidil. Personally, the only side effect I have experienced from using it is dryness in the scalp. The result people experience from using it also differs a lot from person to person. I would say that I respond very much to it, because I saw very great results in just 3 months. So if your hair looks like this, worse, or preferably a lot better, give it a try.